A new arrival, Honda CBX1000Z, the CB1, 1979. And it's a second owner bike. In fact, a first owner. It's in the it stayed in the family. Original. In red. Very nice. The side panel is in the car. Looking very good, so a lot of pictures will be made and video, of course. Then number 2. Look at this beauty. It's a Ducati Desmo 750 F1 1990. It's like new. Beautiful condition. The wheels are not original, but we do have the original wheels with the bike, and the original wheels are also in a top condition, so the new owner can bring the bike back in original condition with the wheels if wanted. Beautiful in this color, green, red and white. Amazing condition. It's a bit dark, but we'll make a lot of pictures, video, I think this week. Well, a bit dark, Johan.
Yes.
Okay, thank you for watching the video. If you're interested in one of these two bikes, contact us. And keep following us on our socials and YouTube, and you'll see the bike coming online as soon as possible. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.